Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We all know that spring is a time of renewal, and your fireplace is no exception. Limpier's local fireplace cleaning service will make your fireplace look brand new, just in time for the warmer weather. We'll start by giving your fireplace a thorough inspection, assessing any damage or wear and tear. Then, we'll carefully clean and polish all the surfaces, including the mantle, hearth, and glass doors. We'll also remove any soot or creosote buildup from the firebox and flue. Finally, we'll leave you with tips on how to keep your fireplace looking its best all year long. Your fireplace will be the envy of your neighborhood after our cleaning service. So why wait? Schedule your appointment with Limpier today and enjoy a brand new fireplace just in time for spring. Your home will feel refreshed and renewed, and you'll be ready to take on the new season with a renewed sense of energy and purpose. Don't let your fireplace go another season without a professional cleaning. Call Limpier today.